Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Today I am going to be doing a quick Amazon unboxing. And this is the box right here. As you can see, it's not open. And I ordered a couple of things from Amazon last week. So I'm not really sure if they put both of my packages in this one box or if I have another package on the way. So let's open this up and see. Happy New Year to everyone. If I didn't say it, I'm going to say it again. Happy New Year to everyone. Hope you guys are having a great year so far. So yeah, I ordered several things from Amazon last week. And I'm not sure if they got them in this one box, both of my items in this one box, or just, so let's see. Okay, so maybe this is just one of my packages. Doesn't really tell me. Let me see. That's my name. Okay, yeah, so this is just one of the items I saw. I do have another box coming from Amazon. So this is just one of the packages. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.